Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday chaired a high-level meeting to take stock of the current COVID-19 situation and the vaccination drive going on in the country, the government sources said. The meeting comes a day after Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said India is still reeling under the threat of COVID's second wave and it is not over yet. India reported 34,973 coronavirus cases and 260 deaths in the last 24 hours. Of the total number of new cases, Kerala remained the highest contributor with 26,200 new COVID cases, followed by Maharashtra where 4,912 cases were registered since yesterday. The United Nations released a statement on Friday condemning the Taliban's treatment of journalists and peaceful protesters since coming to power. The UN called on the Taliban to not use force or arbitrarily detain protesters and the journalists covering the protests. We call on the Taliban to immediately cease the use of force towards and the arbitrary detention of those exercising their rights to peaceful assembly and the journalists covering the protests, said Ravina Shamdasani, spokeswoman for the United Nations Human Rights Office. The United Arab Emirates on Friday said that it is lifting restrictions from September the 12th on entry for residents who have been fully vaccinated with a shot approved by the World Health Organization. It said that residents from India can fly into the UAE from September the 12th. It has also allowed residents from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Namibia, Zambia, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Sierra Leone, Liberia, South Africa, Nigeria and Afghanistan as well to fly into the UAE from September 12th. US President Joe Biden on Thursday blamed vaccine-hesitant Americans for preventing the United States from overcoming the COVID pandemic. A distinct minority of Americans, supported by a distinct minority of elected officials, are keeping us from turning the corner, he said in a televised White House address, during which he announced a new vaccination plan affecting some 100 million people. The fifth Test match between India and England, scheduled to begin today in Manchester, was cancelled, the England and Wales Cricket Board announced today. Meanwhile, the Indian Cricket Board has offered to reschedule the cancelled Test match, saying that both boards will work towards finding a window to reschedule this Test match. Earlier, the ECB in a statement had said that the Manchester Test had to be cancelled after India were unable to field a team due to fears of a further increase in the number of COVID cases inside the camp.